Today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by a wonderful friend here on YouTube, and that is Allie from Glam and Elegant Living, and it is the Timeless and Elegance Decor collab. Her co-hosts are Petalist Bless from Petalist Bless DIY and myself, Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE. I hope this video inspires you.
Toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too.
Or anything that's crystal or lucite. And I am particularly in love with these lucite deer. I found these at Home Goods, a couple of years ago. So I've had them for a few years now. This little baby, she lost her antlers. So sad. So I'm calling her the doe, and she is still quite pretty to me. I absolutely love her, and we decorated her last year with this really pretty necklace. It's a snowflake necklace. Absolutely love it. And then her bow over here also has a little collar that we decorated last year with bells, and I think they make the perfect addition here to my sofa table that I have here at the back of my couch. And I have just added additional little lucite deer. This one I found while thrifting. I want to say he was $3.99. This vase I showed you in a haul recently, and I absolutely love it. It's black and white, very elegant to me, something that I can use year-round, not just for the holiday. I have paired with it some evergreens, so pretty. I just wanted to have a simple, simplistic evergreen centerpiece, so that is what we were going with here on the table. Again, some more deer. I picked these up, I want to say, from Home Goods, I believe. So pretty. And I have them nestled here on the table with some ornaments that I picked up, oh gosh, several years ago. I want to say probably from Michael's, but I love the way it looks. And I have added some little, I don't know what you call this stuff, stuffing that goes in pillows for a snow effect. Absolutely love that. And then I am also using my Glam candlesticks. I don't have any candles on them. I'm just using them as they are to give me that glam and elegant effect here on my sofa table.
So these are the things that I think are timeless and elegant, and I hope what I've showed you has inspired you and will help you in your holiday decorating. So I will leave a link for Allie's channel, who is Glam Elegant Living, and Petalist from Petalist Bless DIY. I will leave their channels down below, so go check out the videos. I am sure you will get tons of decorating inspiration for the holidays.
A song heard through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow on a special night. Every child awake, for at Christmas time there is magic in the air.